Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use an iPhone 5s home button on an iPhone 5. So your fingerprint is not gonna work, but the home button is gonna work just fine, just like in the iPhone 5, just like an iPhone 5 button. So you are gonna have to remove the ribbon cable from the home button, and also you're gonna remove the little thing that's in the middle that clicks, and you're gonna use the metal piece from your home button, from your from your iPhone 5 home button. It's gonna say Windows Phone. You are gonna use a little bit of adhesive in order to hold the metal piece in place. You're gonna place that right in the middle. It's not the middle. Alright, so once you put it right in the middle, you're gonna transfer your gasket to it, unless it already has a gasket. But I'm gonna be using a brand new gasket. You can buy this on eBay or some websites on the internet. I buy them on eBay. Then when you put the screws, if your home button doesn't click, you're probably gonna have to loose the screws a little bit. Alright, mine clicks just fine, so I'm just gonna even tie it a little bit more. But there's some cases where if you tie it too much, your home button won't click. So in that case, what you have to do is you have to loose the screws a little bit, and then you put a little bit of adhesive on the screws, like I had already done earlier on this phone. and you can put a little bit of adhesive on the screws so they won't move, and then you won't lose your screws. I don't even have a camera or anything else installed on this screen because I just ordered it, but I guess this works for the video. You can also use iPhone 5 SE, iPhone 5, I don't know about iPhone 5 SE, but you can use iPhone 6, iPhone 6s home button. This is pretty much the same as the iPhone 5s, same size. So there it is. See, fully functional, clicks just like the iPhone 5 button. Okay, that was it for the video. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, then press the thumbs up.